Welcome to Nyamboke's kitchen. Today we're going to make pan-fried mixed vegetables that are healthy, quick and delicious, that can be ready in 10 minutes. So don't forget to subscribe. So we start by chopping our onions, and I like using margarine. Margarine gives it a taste, or butter, but if you want you can use the normal oil. So I want to welcome you to my kitchen. As we wait for that to melt, today I'm going to show you how to make pan-fried mixed vegetables that are healthy, quick and packed with flavor. And what gives it the flavor is the butter or the margarine. That is my secret. I don't think everybody uses that. So as you're waiting for it to melt, it's important to note that you stay tuned till the end, because I'll share my secret tips to make your vegetables crispy, colorful and full of nutrients, so that your kids can also eat these vegetables. So secret number 1, get a wide pan so that you don't crowd your vegetables, so that it's easy to spread your vegetables across the pan for them to quickly get cooked in time. So you can use any mixed vegetables. So I'm washing mine. So I have carrots, I have peas, and I have French beans. And the best thing is to make sure that they are crunchy and vibrant. I never used to eat this because I realized that most of them are overcooked. So the thing is to make sure they are crunchy. So the first thing is to make sure you wash them. That is the first step, so that at least you're able to have clean veggies. So there I am. I've washed them. I've sieved them, sieved off the water, and my onions are ready. So there we've poured them in. So that is very perfect to start. You stir. If you want, you can add some soy sauce, you can add some salt and pepper, but for me I just like it that way, so that I can enjoy the flavor that I have told you about the margarine. So don't put in a lot of water. That's another tip. As you add in some salt, just a little salt, so that it's not it doesn't have a lot of salt. Don't put in a lot of water, just a little water for them to cook. And I said the recipe will take you 10 minutes or less. So if you're taking longer than 10 minutes, there's a problem. It means your vegetables are going to cook. So we need to keep frying, keep turning, so that we can be able to ensure that this is ready within time. And there you are, you have it. Perfectly pan-fried mixed vegetables. It's a fast, healthy and delicious recipe, and you can enjoy with rice, noodles and even on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, guys, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and for more quick and tasty cooking videos, let me know in the comments what you think about your vegetable that is your favorite. Bye!